Hello, my dear student. Today I am going to start a new chapter from geometry. Chapter number 5, Coordinate Geometry. Now, this chapter is rather easy than similarity and circle, and therefore you concentrate on this chapter. This chapter gives you marks which would increase your score in the subject. Okay. Now then you try to understand the concept. Okay. Geometry lecture number 1, chapter number 5, coordinate geometry. Distance formula. Suppose A and B are 2 points given. You can find the distance between these 2 points. Okay. Now you know this is a Cartesian system in which this is x-axis and this is y-axis. This point is origin. Coordinate of this point is 0, 0. Now in this plane, suppose A is equal to x1, y1 and B is equal to x2, y2. These 2 points are given. You can find the distance between them. Okay. Now look here. Now this is what? This is right angle triangle. And if you know this side and this side, then by means of Pythagoras theorem, you can find AB. Okay. Now this point is A. Coordinates are x1, y1. Therefore, this distance is equal to x1 and this distance is equal to y1. Now this is a point B, x2, y2, and therefore this distance is equal to x2 and this distance is equal to y2. Now this is what x1 and this OQ is x2, and therefore you can find PQ. So PQ is equal to x2 minus x1. Now you know this is a what? Rectangle, and therefore this side and this side is equal, and therefore AR is equal to x2 minus x1. Similarly, BR is equal to y2 minus y1. Okay, now you know these two sides, and therefore you can find the distance AB. Now then you try to understand this. AP is equal to RQ is equal to R1, Y1. BQ is equal to YZ, Y2. OP is equal to X1, OQ is equal to X2. And therefore PQ is equal to AR is equal to X2 minus X1, and BR is equal to BQ minus RQ is equal to Y2 minus Y1. Now in triangle BRA, angle BRA is equal to 90. This angle is 90. And therefore AB square is equal to AR square plus BR square. Pythagoras theorem. And therefore AB is equal to AB square is equal to, for AR you substitute value x2 minus x1 square, and for BR you write down y2 minus y1 square, and therefore AB is equal to, taking what? Under root. AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Now in this case you remember the word sequence. Here x2 is just start from x2, then here also start from what, y2. You can write in this way also. AB is equal to under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. If start with x1, then start with y1. Okay. Now this is the formula known as distance formula. Okay. Now then you try to understand some example from practice set 5.1, page number 107. Okay. Question number 1. Find distance between each of the following pairs of points. 2 points are given. Find distance between them. So write down your solution. Let A 2, 3 is equal to x1 y1 and B 4, 1 is equal to x2 y2, and therefore by distance formula AB is equal to under root x square minus x square x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and then you simply substitute what values, and therefore AB is equal to under root 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 square, and therefore AB is equal to under root 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 square is equal to 4 plus 4 and is equal to under root 8, and therefore AB is equal to under root 8 means what? Under root 4 into 2, 4 you take outside, 2 root 2 units. So AB is equal to 2 root 2 units. Okay. Example number 2. P is equal to minus 5, 7. Q is equal to minus 1, 3. Write down solution. By distance formula, PQ is equal to, now in this case remember you always write your points below each other so that what it is easy to write x1, x2, y1, y2. Okay. Now PQ is equal to, start from what, Q. You want PQ now, start from Q. Under root minus 1 minus 5 means plus 5 square plus 3 minus 7 square. So minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4 square plus this is minus 4 square. Then simplify. 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4 square is equal to 16. So PQ is equal to under root 16 plus 16, that is under root 32, and therefore PQ is equal to 32 means 16 into 2. 16 is square of 4, so take 4 outside, and therefore PQ is equal to 4 root 2 units. Okay. Then question number 3. R is equal to 0, minus 3 and S is equal to 0, 5 upon 2. Solution. Write down your points below each other. So R is equal to 0, minus 3, S is equal to 0, 5 upon 2, and therefore by distance formula RS is equal to under root 0 minus 0 square plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 means plus 3 upon 2. Sorry, 5 upon 2 plus 3 square and is equal to under root, this is 0 plus, now this you add, so denominator is 2, so 5 plus 6 upon 2 square and 5 plus 6 upon 2 is equal to 11 upon 2, and therefore RS is equal to under root 11 upon 2 square, that is 11 upon 2, and therefore RS is equal to 11 upon 2 or 5.5. Okay, then I will explain you one more example. Example number 4. L is equal to 5 comma minus 8, M is equal to minus 7 minus 3. Solution. Write down your points below each other. L is equal to 5 comma minus 8, M is equal to minus 7 comma minus 3. Therefore, by distinct formula, ln is equal to under root minus 7 minus 5 square plus minus 3 minus 8, that is plus 8. So minus 3 plus 8 square. Simplify this. So minus 7 minus 5 is equal to minus 12 square plus minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 5 square, and therefore ln is equal to under root 144 plus 25 is equal to under root 169. So 169 is square of 13, and therefore ln is equal to 13. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like, share, subscribe, and if you have any problem or question, put in comment box. Thank you.